Final human.
Trucks carry the harvested cactus stems across the desert to the high-tech factory.
Cactus stems arrive at one of the largest and most advanced cactus processing facilities in the world.
At the intake bay, crates are carefully unloaded onto conveyor systems for processing. Each stem moves along conveyors, where initial sorting separates the largest and smallest specimens. Robotic arms automatically grade each stem, separating them by size for uniform processing.
Each stem is washed thoroughly with filtered water to remove dust and impurities.
A final rinse ensures stems are completely clean before further processing.
Air drying removes moisture while maintaining freshness and texture of the stems. Precision machines trim spines and uneven edges to prepare stems for processing.
Outer layers are peeled off to reveal the tender inner stem for food-grade processing.
Trained inspectors check peeled stems to ensure consistent quality.
Automated cutters slice stems into uniform lengths for consistent processing. Stems are gently softened in controlled steam to prepare them for packaging. Advanced sensors scan each stem for color, texture, and any defects. Robotic cutters remove minor imperfections to ensure premium quality.
A final rinse ensures that stems are perfectly clean and safe for packaging.
Air drying removes residual water, keeping the stems fresh and firm.
Each stem is weighed to maintain consistency in packaging.
Automated slicers cut stems into standard sizes for uniform packaging. Stems are gently softened with steam to achieve the perfect texture for consumption. Cooling tunnels stabilize stems after processing, readying them for packaging.
Final human inspection ensures that only premium stems proceed to packaging.
Stems are packed in food-grade bags, sealed for freshness and hygiene. Packed bags are carefully stacked into cartons, ready for storage. Cartons are labeled and sealed automatically for traceability and distribution.